Happy Tuesday afternoon, everyone. For those of you interested, I'm sure maybe a couple of you, got this going again. I've got almost, a little better than 100 miles on it. Again, shifts beautifully. There's the new transmission. Got a deep oil pan on this one. This thing took 13 quarts. So I'm not sure how that's going to equate when it's time to change it. But yeah, it shifts great. I didn't realize how worn the old transmission was. May have shown this too. I've got a speedometer. I tried my vacuum gauge there. I don't like it there. I'm gonna put it back there. The bracket broke on my tack, so zip ties. Everything you can fix anything with zip ties if you know what you're doing. Some of y'all, I don't know. I changed this tailpipe to a 2.5, and I decided to go back to the 3. I think it just runs so much better with the 3. It didn't run terribly with the 2.5, but yeah. Painted my wheels to give my camera work. I'm not the best with a camera. I am a MPG. We need to talk about that real quick. First 2 tests I did just strictly around town. I drove it to work once or twice. 7 miles per gallon. That is terrible. I don't know if hopefully it'll get better once that new transmission loosens up a little bit. Yeah, I carry a lot of stuff with me. Believe it or not, I think it runs better with these blocks in the bed. That's just me. Maybe I'm crazy. But yeah, then again, I drove it down to my other property the other day, and it got 16 going down there and back. So yeah, maybe it just likes highway better. Can't keep it clean, but parking under this tree. Sweet gum. Thing makes sap year round. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Yeah, that's all I got for now. New transmission, running good, shifting good. Gas mileage is terrible in town, but somewhat better on the highway. Y'all have a great week, a great evening, great day, and God bless every one of you. Be safe. God bless.